I don't know if you have asked on how someone can be spending and the same time be saving on OPay account. If you have asked such a question before, today with this video I'm going to share with you on how you can spend and be saving at the same time with your OPay account. All you have to do is to follow the procedure that I'm about to share with you. And before we go to the procedure, if you have not subscribed to our channel before, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button at the bottom there and turn on the notification bell. So without wasting time, let's dive into the video on how you can set up spending and saving with your OPay account.
Warning. This video is intended solely for educational purposes. Reproduction or utilization of any code or content from this video for illegal activities is strictly prohibited. It is essential to comply with all governmental laws and regulations. Failure to do so may result in your arrest and legal accountability for any illegal activities. Thanks.
For you to set up spend and save, you come to this finance option. So you will take it, you will touch it. After you have touched it, the next thing you are going to do from here is to come to this option here, spend and save. Spend and save, you touch it. Then once you touch it, a menu will open to you. From there you can see here spend and save, and you can withdraw it at any time. Spend and save, maybe you buy something of 1,000 and you want 500 to be saved on that your 1,000 or things you buy. You can save it on 50%. Maybe you want out of that 1,000 maybe 200 to be saved. You can also set it there. And after you have used it, maybe you buy something of 1,000 and you want 500 to be saved. After you have set it, 500 will be added to this option, and you can withdraw it at any time from this menu here. So from here now, to make a fixed deposit with your OPay account, you can check on this video at this corner here. For you to set it up, you will come to this option here, more, where the arrow is pointing to. You will go to the option more, where the arrow is pointing to. Then after you have touched it, a menu like this will also open to you, and in this menu you are going to touch on this saving setting. You come to this saving setting, so you touch it, saving setting. Once you touch it here, then you come to this option here, which is interest setting. Interest setting, you go there, you touch it, then you make sure that disable interest on saving is turned off, which this option here, you don't turn it on, because once you turn it on, it will change to blue color. And once it changes to blue color, in that your spend and saving, you will not have any interest to it at all. But once you leave it blank here, you will receive an interest to that your spend and saving. So after you have touched it, after you have made sure that it's on that brand, then you come to apply, and this is where you can apply it. After you make sure that it's changed to this white, just make sure that it's showing it, the color, make sure that it's showing this white, not blue. Then after you have changed it, then you touch on apply. Then after you have applied it, you go back to your menu, or any money you transfer from your OPay account, you will, the money, if you transfer maybe 10,000, 5,000 will be added to your spend and save. If it's 100,000, 15,000 will be added to your spend and save. So this is where you can activate spend and save with your OPay account. Now you have watched the video, please don't forget to like, drop your comment and share it with your friend. And if you have not subscribed to the channel before, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.